Good day, sir. I'm Shaina Pagadwan. Today, I'm going to play the Cyber Siege. Close. I click close. Then I'm going to solve the two problems. First, the stop worms. Click play. Then the briefing is click OK. Click objectives. And then the remaining object is your job. Joe is a new employee. You must instruct him to not spread worms or viruses. There is one specific procedural security choice that can greatly affect whether Joe will spread worms and virus. Double click on Joe computer and make the one procedural security choice that will most reduce Joe likelihood of spreading worms. Then click the office. Click Joe computer. Then the procedural settings is click the beware of email attachment. Then back to the office. I click the play button. Then click OK. You complete the first phase and keep worms of the network now. Brief of a quiz. Click OK. Then Joe gets an attachment named memo.doc from a coworker. Should he open it? Then click the yes or no button and then click the yes button. Then click OK. And then Joe gets an attachment named funny clip.txt from a friend who says he should rename it to funnyclip.com and open it to see a hilarious video clip. Should he open it? Click no. Then good job stopping this attack. The file was from a vandal posting as Joe friend. It was sent as text to get around the firewall. Then click OK. Then congratulations, you successfully completed the scenario. And then click OK. And then the second problem is the password. And click play. And then the briefing is click OK. And then click the objectives. And then Henrik is intent on making Lucy's life difficult. His preferred tactic is to exploit poor password policies in order to corrupt the database that she uses. Your job is to establish procedural and or configuration policies that contribute to good password management. Then back to the office. And then click the computer of Lucy. Then click the med in the password length. Then back to the office. Click Lucy. Then click the medium training. And then click OK. And then back to the component. And then unselect the allow password on post-it. Then click the lock or log off in unattended. Then back to the office. And then, congratulations, you have thwarted Henrik attacks on Lucy account. Then, click OK. Then, click OK. Then, quit.